Okay, folks, Keith with 93 Lumber, coming back at you with another beer. This is Odd Bird Brewing. I've had a couple beers from them. Well, let me tell you what this is first. This is New Hop PA. I think it's supposed to be a play on New Hope, Pennsylvania, but it's I think it's single hopped. But it's Medusa-hopped Pale Ale. It is 5.2% alcohol by volume. It was crowlered yesterday. Or 12... Or I picked it up yesterday. I don't think they crowlered it while I was there. I think they pre-crowlered their crowlers. Yeah, because this says 12... Of course, the one number is it could be an 8, it could be a 0. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I picked this up yesterday. I have not had this beer. I had a couple other ones while I was there. But, yes. I've had a few things. What I was going to say before is I've had a few things from Odd Bird Brewing. Mostly thanks to, or entirely thanks to Matt from Massive Beers, because he has been there a couple times. I'm using my Ironbird glass. Thought it was appropriate, even though it doesn't matter. But there's a bird on it. Put a bird on it. Or whatever. I don't know. I'm tired. Leave me alone. I'm out of my mind. Yeah, it looks like... Yeah. Yellow. Looks like, as Mike from Nerd Sense would say, that looks a little bit like a urine sample. It's a little dark. Well, I guess it depends. But it's a little darker. It's slightly hazy. Finger... of a white foamy head. Maybe slightly off-white. I don't know. Let's see what it smells like. I'm not... I actually meant to look up Medusa hops because I'm not familiar with them. I've had them in beers before, but I'm not familiar with the hop specifically. But getting a little bit, it was bigger in that first sniff, but it's a little more subtle now. But a nice like green onion kind of thing. Yeah, it's very subtle now, but that first whiff was in my face. A nice bready malt. Bready? Doughy? One of those. And then I feel like there's a soft fruitiness to it, but I couldn't... Maybe like a soft like stone fruit thing? I don't know. It smells good. I'm just going to drink it. Cheers. So that malt character that I was getting in the nose is definitely in the taste. That green onion thing is there. Because I don't know. Yeah. There's a nice bittering to it. Slightly drying. Yeah, and like I'm getting this touch of like a very unsweet stone fruit thing. It's good. 'Tis good. Yeah. That's Don't mind me. I've been really bad at like not like super focusing on stuff. So sometimes I just go off. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I'd say maybe like in that stone fruit thing, there's a little bit of citrus, unsweet citrus kind of thing, but it's negligible. But yeah, if you're down there, they're in Stockton, New Jersey, which is down near New Hope, Pennsylvania. And I would definitely recommend checking them out. Because I had a couple beers there yesterday, and those were both... Well, one was a cask ale, so that's kind of cheating. No, just kidding. That was a joke. But the cask ale was good. It was their pub ale. And then I had their porter, which was also very nice. So yeah. Sorry. I'm very aware when I hyperfocus, but yeah. But it doesn't stop me. So yeah. So I hope you're all doing well out there. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you would like to. You can subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. You can check out some, if you're in the area, you can check out some kind of local. They're like an hour-ish from here. And yeah. See you in the next one. Cheers.